Union Health Ministry releases National Health Accounts Estimates for India 2022-23. Union Health Ministry released the National Health Account (NHA) estimates for the year 2022 to 2023, and it highlights the significant improvements into the India's healthcare financing system over the past 10 years. This report shows a steady rise in the government health expenditure and a reduction in out-of-pocket medical expenses for the citizens, and a stronger public investment in healthcare infrastructure and financial protection scheme. What is the National Health Account (NHA) report? The National Health Account (NHA) report provides the estimates of healthcare expenditure in India. It tracks the government health spending, private healthcare expenditure, household medical spending, insurance coverage, social security healthcare spending. The report is prepared by the National Health Account Technical Secretariat (NHATS) under the National Health System Resource Center (NHSRC), Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The estimates report formally accepts the System of Health Accounts SHA 2011 framework. This 2022-23 report is the 10th NHA report released by India. Government health expenditure increased significantly. One of the major highlights of this report is the steady increase in government health expenditure (GHE). Key growth figure: GHE as percentage of GDP are in year 2013 and 14 1.15%, in year 2022-23 1.43%, under a new GDP base year 2022-23 1.48%. GHE share into the general government expenditure increased from 3.78% to 4.89%. This was rising government prioritization of the health care spending. Per capita health spending nearly tripled. Government health spending per person has been grown significantly over the last decade. Per capita GHE 2013-14 1042 rupees, 2022 and 23 2786 rupees. This represents an increase of nearly 2.7 times. The rise signals the expanded health care program, infrastructure investments and welfare schemes. Out of pocket expenditure decline. The report also highlights a major decline in the out of pocket expenditure. OOPE refers to those medical expenses directly paid by household. Decline in the OOPE 2013-14 64.2% of the total health expenditure. 2022-23 43.4%. This decline showcases the improved public financing and better financial protection for the citizens, and to reduce the OOPE has been one of the government's major healthcare policy goals. COVID-19 pandemic spending impact. The report also highlights the increased public healthcare spending during the COVID-19 pandemic. The key COVID spending figures: the government healthcare expenditure rose to 1.84% of GDP in the year 2021-2022. This included the emergency COVID response packages, mass vaccination program, pandemic management expenditure. Public financial share increased. Social security and insurance coverage improved. Private insurance, health insurance growth, rising health awareness, improved health seeking behavior, growing insurance penetration.